Here's how to turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva. First, open Canva and go to Uploads. Upload the photo you want to turn into a cartoon and add it to your design. There are 2 different methods you can use, and each one produces a different result. For the first method, select your photo and click Apps in the bottom left corner. Search for Cartoonify, then open the app. Then, proceed with the on-screen steps to complete the setup. Cartoonify will detect the image you've selected and apply a cartoon effect to it. Make sure you've selected the correct photo if your design contains multiple images. Once the process is complete, you'll see your photo converted into a cartoon style. For the second method, upload or add the same photo again. Select the image, go back to Apps, and search for Animify. Open the Animify app and select your image. Then confirm the conversion. Canva will process the photo and generate a different cartoon style result. The 2 methods give you noticeably different looks, so you can try both and choose the one you prefer. That's all for this video. Thanks.